This is the Abba Patio Side Table. We got this for our deck about a month ago. Have really gotten a lot of use out of it. This is the type of table that would fit in almost anywhere outside. You could put it by a pool, on a porch, on the deck, even in the yard, and it fits in with other furniture nicely. This table measures 22 by 22, but Abba Patio makes tables in some other sizes. In fact, they have a variety of outdoor and patio furniture. You should check out their website. I'll put the link in the description section below to the Abba Patio site, and also for the Amazon link. This is lightweight and very easy to move. In fact, I've moved around here on the deck to different locations. The weight capacity, like what you can put on the surface, is said to be 330 pounds. Of course, I can't imagine putting that much on there. We've got a little decorative item there now, and sometimes we just leave the table with nothing on it, or we use it for refreshments. This table is the perfect size for refreshments for two people. As you can see, I've got a chair on either side, and use this a lot. This is nice to come out onto the deck for the cool glass of tea or even morning coffee. A lot of people put these tables next to their pool, if they're fortunate enough to have a pool. It says it's very versatile, can fit in a number of locations, easy to move. I'll move these things and show you what it looks like underneath. It's said to have a rust-free metal frame. So there you can see the Abba Patio emblem on the front. It's actually kind of adds a touch of elegance to the table. This does not look like one of those cheap resin tables that you pick up at the home store. Feels like a quality piece, looks like a quality piece. Now it's made of the composite wood plastic, as I mentioned, which is recycled, and it's processed from abandoned empty bottles, plastic garbage, and so on. So it's an environmentally friendly product. So here's a look at the underside of the table. It was very easy to put together. We just put the legs on. It seems pretty sturdy. Since this is 22 by 22, the sides, other than the emblem on the front, the sides and the back, all has the same look. And I'm actually impressed that I had just read this from the website that the weight capacity is 330 pounds, because I'm kind of shocked by that. That's a lot. So that should be very sturdy. I mean, I guess you could sit on it. I mean, it's not designed to sit on, but so here's a better look at the top of the table. It kind of looks like wood, like painted wood. It has a little bit, it has the obvious grooves, and then what look like wood planks have very slight grooves in them. So far, it's been very easy to clean. As I mentioned, we've had this here on the deck for about a month, and I've actually only wiped it down once or twice. So this is designed for patio, outdoor, deck, pool use, but it could also be used indoors. Be great in a sunroom. Very versatile. So that's a quick look at the Abba Patio Side Table. In the description section below, I'm going to put the link to the Abba Patio site. They have so many fabulous items designed for outdoor use, umbrellas and canopies and other tables, lots and lots of things. And I'll put the link, the Amazon link in there as well. Thanks for watching.
you.